Thanks for supporting the Kimberlin. This video is going to introduce the latest model of launch X431 series DIAGUNV. Firstly, let's check what we have inside the box. Here we can see a software list and a hardware list. You can activate your DIAGUNV with the ported SN which printed on this card. The OBDII extension cable is used for connecting the device to your car, and you can roll it up when you are not using it. This is a charger, the device, and the Bluetooth adapter. Now, we're going to try some of the new features. Android 7.0 is installed on your device, and we're using the new model of hardwares. More than 20 languages are available on your device. DIAGUNV is supporting 99% of car models from Asia, Europe, and America. Downloading any software on your device with 16 GB of storage. X431 DIAGUNV helps you diagnose your car effectively and validly. Moreover, it supports Wi-Fi connection, easy function, and diagnostic feedback. 10 special function and full system diagnosis will bring you a superior experience. This is Launch X431 DIAGUNV, so convenient and powerful.